All right, guys. Good evening. Good evening. You're welcome to Brainy Byte Tutorials. Welcome to my channel. This is Brainy Byte Tutorials. So what we will do here is that we'll give you guys updates about Jamb, everything you need to know about Jamb, steps and how to pass Jamb examination without any stress. Okay, how to pass Jamb free, how to read, how to equip yourself, how to tackle Jamb questions. Okay, very easy without fears. Okay, that's what we'll do here. Then not only that, we'll give you guys updates about schools, any school of your choice. We'll have the update about the school. Okay, we'll be giving you guys update about school. So what you will do for us here now is, since if you want to become one of our candidates, you will hit our subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. You're not paying, it's totally for free. You hit the subscribe button, you turn on the notification bell, you like the video, give the video a thumbs up. Okay, so the reason why you are turning on the notification bell is so that whenever whenever you upload any update, YouTube will notify you. Okay, so you'll be the first to go there and check out the update, so you will not miss out with anything. Okay, so whenever we upload any update, YouTube will notify you immediately. Okay, so you'd advise you subscribe, turn on notification bell, like the video, give us your comments. Anything you suggest, you can give us on the comment section. Any question you want to ask, you can leave it for us on the comment section. Okay, we'll be right there to answer you. Okay, so what you will do for us when you have done all of those things, then keep winning. Okay, so today I brought to you guys the accredited CBT centers in Cross River State. Accredited CBT centers in Cross River State. Okay, Cross River State accredited CBT centers for Jamb 2024 registration. Okay, so if you are in Cross River and you have been looking for where to register your Jamb, boom, here you are. Okay, so I will give you guys all the center name, address, where you can go and register your center in Cross River State. Okay, and another very first step is that make sure you get your profile code. Very important. Generate your profile code now, please. If you have not generated your profile code, you check out the channel, you will see a video about how to make profile code without errors. Okay, you check out the video, you will see how to make profile code, how to generate profile code without errors. Okay, you watch the profile code, you watch it. That's if you don't know how to do it. If you know how to do it, fine and very good. So if you don't know how to do it, you watch the video, then the video will direct you, then you follow the video step by step. Okay, so if you have done that, so if you have gotten your profile code, no problem, let's proceed. But it's advised you get your profile code. The reason why it's advised you get your profile code is there's so many. Don't wait till that time before you get your profile code. At least get your profile code. When you get your profile code, you know you are up to 45% ready for the registration. Okay, so it is remaining to vend your pin and do your registration, and that's it. You understand? So just get your profile code. Very important, because sometimes some people will be like, I did my NIN like 2 weeks and I've not validated it. Getting the profile code will be very hard and all of that. Sometimes network issues. You understand? Network issues, MTN network issues, and Airtel network issues. So it's advised you use MTN. They are very fast. Okay, so they are very fast. Use MTN. So get your profile code. Okay, so when you get your profile code, you know you are ready. So what you will do now is to take that your profile code to any of these Jamb CBT center I'm going to mention now. Any of these Jamb CBT center I'm going to mention now. So when you take your profile code to that place, you meet the operators there. You tell them that you want to register your Jamb. The first question they will ask you if you have your profile code. That's the first question they will ask you. Then you provide your profile code. They will vend your pin for you. Okay, but if you don't want stress, what you will do, you can check the video description. I will be leaving my number on the description. Okay, when I leave my number on the description, then you chat me on WhatsApp. I'm not always available in the daytime. If you want to send any message, you send message for me. When I'm free, I will answer your message. I will answer I will respond to you. Okay, because why is it? Because I'm working with Jamb. Okay, so we are always very busy. Okay, we're always very busy. So if you want to send out message to me, just send me a message when I'm free. I will respond to you, okay? Even if in the daytime if I'm free, or if it's in the night if I'm free, I will respond to you. Whenever I have a little chance, I always check out my candidates, see if anyone is having any challenge anywhere. Okay, I will guide you. Okay, that's why we are here for you. Okay, so don't forget, it's totally for free. We are not asking you to pay any money. Okay, it's totally for free. So you hit that subscribe button for us. That's the only way you can subscribe, you can support us. Okay, so if you're having issue, just send me a DM with that number I will be leaving on the video description. So you send your profile code, we'll vend your pin for you. All right, so if you have done that, um so let's go ahead. So we have a total of 8 CBT centers that was accredited in Cross River State. It's not much. It's 8 CBT centers that was accredited in 2024. So it's 8 CBT centers, so they are not much. So the first one is Akampa. If you are living close to Akampa, if you are near the town, then you can locate Cross River State College of Education ICT Center, E-Library, Akampa, Cross River State. You can locate that place and do your registration. Okay, locate that place and do your registration. So the next one is Calabar. We have in Calabar, we have University of Calabar E-Library Complex. E-Library Complex, Etabo, Etabo Road, Calabar, Cross River State. So if you are close to that place, you can go there, do your registration there. So the third one is still on Calabar, Jamb State Office, Calabar, 41 Okorabo Street, off Marian Road, Calabar, Cross River State. What they do is only registration. Okay, they don't write exam, so that's why we indicated this registration only. So some of these places I'm mentioning now, it's not some of these places. These places I'm mentioning now, if you have been posted to that place, you go there and write your exam too. You understand? So that's how it is. So but this third center now, they only does registration. They don't write exam. Okay, so now the fourth one is still on Calabar town. So we have Cross River University of Technology, CRUTEC CBT. We have Ikpo Calabar South, Cross River State. Okay, Ikpo Calabar South, Cross River State. So the fifth on our list is Obudu. Obudu is the fifth on our list. We have Federal College of Education, Dr. Joseph Wires Library, Obudu, Cross River State. Number 6 on our list is Ogoja. We have Beeps Technology Limited, 19 Obudu Street, Igoli, Ogoja, Cross River State. So the 7th on our list is Okuku. Have Caps Academy, Old Imaje Road, formerly Christian Secondary Commercial School, Okuku, Yala, Cross River State. So the last on our list is Swiftcom Global, still on Calabar. Swiftcom Global, Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria, FAAN Secondary School, IBB Way, Calabar, Cross River State. So if you are close to any of these places I have mentioned so far, so you locate that place, register, you do your registration. So don't forget, if you're having any issues, I'll be leaving my number on the video description. So you go there, you pick the number, you chat the number on WhatsApp, send your profile code, we'll vend your profile code for you, then you can be able to register your Jamb. Okay, so after your registration, you still let us know, so I will know you have registered your Jamb. Okay, so you guys, don't forget, we do love you guys again. Once again, this is Brenny by tutorial. So what you do for us, just help us click on the subscribe button. Okay, so we'll help you guys get your admission. We'll work admission for candidates just totally for free. Okay, so that's what you will do for us. So now, having done that for us, So until we see you again in our next video, don't forget we do love you. All right, keep winning.